Well, first of all, to make a fender, you've got to make the middle. And the main part of a fender is the middle, the strength of the middle. Like the crocheting or the stitching around the outsides just to make it look pretty. And if it hasn't got a good middle, it's no good. Half hitching, this is what I'm doing now. One half hitch after the other actually. And when you get to the end of the fender, you drop stitches. It's almost like knitting, you know. You have to drop stitches to make things smaller, and the same with the fender. And eventually you cover the whole fender in. And well, I've got a load on there finished. And this is what you call a marline spike, and that's what you call a fid, which I usually use a fid if the fender's going easy. Marline spike, if you get oh it's a bit tight, you know, it's a metal, so it'll make it bigger. People say to me, "Do you get fed up with this? You know, doing this?" I don't think about that. I talk to them and I just do it with my eyes shut. It looks awful difficult to other people. But as you can see, the fenders on the boats, they're all shapes and sizes. And biggest fender I ever made was for Prince Charles. It was a red, white and blue fender, 11'6" long by 2'6" wide. That was in 1979. Yeah, that's the biggest one I ever made. But I made fenders for all types of people.